The second is to enable you to have much greater information about how a pill works, how your body works, how your physiology of your body works. And so it's, being able to do something like quantify the body and the information from your body. They may have very different implications for how we think about those kinds of smart drugs, which is smart in terms of making you smarter about your health and your body versus smart as in doing something to, rather than through information, more directly mediate your body. And so they may have different regulatory responses to it. I'm going to focus on the latter, which is drugs like caffeine or Ritalin and Concerta and those types of drugs, and say I wholeheartedly disagree that we should ban these drugs from individual use. And part of it is we're just not used to being able to regulate this class of stuff, right? This class of stuff which are not about treating illness, but about enhancing our bodies and ourselves. And so the traditional way that you look at drugs and devices, you say, what's the safety and what's the efficacy? And for efficacy, it's a totally different ballgame to say, do you get a personal benefit out of it? And how you value that information, right? The benefit that you get out of it versus the safety, as opposed to, does it actually treat the drug that it's supposed to treat? So if I have a placebo effect, if I believe that it enhances my cognition, if I believe that it makes me more awake and more likely to be alert, and the risk of it is I may get a headache or my blood pressure may go up, and I don't have any pre-existing conditions that would put me at greater risk because of having a slightly higher blood pressure, I think I absolutely should have the right to choose that rather than a regulator deciding it's not effective enough. Because effective enough is a personal decision, not a regulator's decision in this context.